We're here in day 2 and we're at Epcot. And we just had like a little mini photo shoot with a dude over here in the front of the Epcot.
And now we're going on Spaceship Earth.
We're going to Spaceship Earth? Oh yeah, we're going to Spaceship Earth.
We rode Spaceship Earth. And your face, half of your face was cut off.
Really?
It was quite entertaining. We'll put up a photo. It's quite funny for me.
It was funny. One of the best words of advice to come into the parks anytime during this summer. Bring fans. Bring a UV umbrella. Because it is so hot. So we're going to the boardwalk to get some ice cream. Kissy looks very excited.
I'm hot.
It's so hot.
I'm pregnant and it's hot.
It's not a good mixture. That's been time, no. We made it in one piece. It's too damn hot. We're back in the park. We're back in the park. We are going to the tent to get the cake of the pops. So it's gonna be periodic ups and downs, but at least it's cool. It's not hot. What are you getting, love?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Baby wants mac and cheese.
Hopefully they got them little crunches.
Hopefully.
So we just finished eating all the sweets. We had the macaroni, we had the cake pops, we had the s'more thing.
Frozen s'more.
Frozen s'more. What else do we have in there?
That's it. No water?
No water. We had that slush with a float, I think it was called in France. But we couldn't record too much because it was raining.
And guess what? It's gonna start raining again.
So we're gonna start heading out of the park.
Yeah.
We gotta rush. We gotta hurry. This is duck.